summer refreshing drink. So first on the flame, and so now let it come for a boil. So you can see the milk is boiling. Stir continuously and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll show again. So after 10 minutes, the milk is boiling. So at this stage, we'll add sugar. Okay. Now off the flame, let it cool completely. So now the milk is completely cooled. So we'll start the next process. And these are ice apples. So have cleaned perfectly. Now I'll cut them into small pieces. So I have chopped ice apple also finely. So now we'll start the process. Take a bowl, strain the milk, in this we'll add ilachi powder. Now add finely chopped ice apple. Add finely chopped kaju and finely chopped badam. Now we'll serve it. Actually, this we have to chill, serve chilled, so that tastes very best. Garnish with badam. Summer refreshing drink or welcome drink.